Hello guys, Tough HD here and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the Fitbit Charge 3 Advanced Fitness Tracker. And this is the rose gold and grey version, bought on Black Friday for £96 on discount from I'm actually not sure what, but this is for my mum, so I'm going to be setting that up for her today. On the front there's a picture of the watch, on the side information about what you can do with it. You can go swimming with it, it does your heart rate, all those other things, more information on the back, and then more on the side. It includes small and large wristbands. I've cut the tape on the bottom so we can go ahead and open that now. There's a pull tab here with the Fitbit logo on, that's a nice touch. Pull that out and I opened it upside down. So in here is the watch. So we'll take that out, put that to the side. In here is the information pack. So it says to start, download the Fitbit app. My mum already has it. She already had a Fitbit, but she's lost it. Can't find it anywhere. It's somewhere in the house, but we're not sure where. So I've got this new one to unbox. So pull that down. There is the extra strap. I believe this is the larger strap. Probably won't need that. Then it tells you how to download the app in there. Then in here we will have the power cord, so we will need that. So here's the charging cable, move that off to the side, and I don't believe we will need anything else in this box. The instructions are in there if you need it, but I'll put this off to the side and we can take a closer look at the watch. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to open it up now. This is a very nice colour, I must say. I probably wouldn't wear it myself because it's kind of pink, but anyway, it is a fairly good looking watch. So we need to take the plastic off it, and that exposes the heart rate scanner on the back as well as where it charges. On the front, of course, is the screen. It's got the Fitbit logo at the bottom of the screen there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but now it's time to turn this on. So to set this thing up, we have to put it on to charge, and because it only comes with a USB lead and no mains adapter, I'm going to be plugging it into my laptop here, but we'll have to attach it to the charger first. So if we line up the connector inside there with the connector on the bottom of the watch and open it up, it kind of just clamps in if you line it up correctly. There we go, it is clamped into there, and now I'll plug it into the USB port on my computer. So now it's receiving power, it's starting to turn on, it showed a smiley face then, and now it's saying to go to fitbit.com/setup, but because we have the app, I think that should work. So I'm going to set this up with an existing account because my mother already has one. So when you go on setup device, I'm going to select it, say Charge 3. There it is, let's set it up. Of course you've got to read the terms and conditions that no one ever reads, so I've put it on to charge as it states to do on here. So click next, and it has found it already. It says, we have found your tracker. So now it's going to try and connect. Okay, so it says pair your tracker, so it is displaying a number on the screen, so if I type that in, it should now connect. Okay, it's just connected and it's saying there's an update available here on the app, so I'm just going to do the update now. It says keep your phone close to it. We'll just let it do the update now. Okay, the watch finished updating a few hours ago. I just had to go and do something else, but I'm back now and the update has completed. As you can see, it is now turned on. So that is the default watch face. You can tap it to cycle through the different things. You can see them changing there at the bottom. But if we go into the app, we can have a look at some of the settings that we can change. So if we go onto the device, of course this is a Charge 3, we can change the clock faces, apps, we can look at how to use it, and we can look at accessories. We can also synchronize the watch from here. We can set up notifications and reminders to move. We can set our main goal and then our wrist placement and silent alarms and all that sort of thing. But now we're just going to take a look at the clock faces and see what options are available. So that's the default one there. So let's look at all the clocks. and we can choose any of these different styles. So for now I'm just going to choose a 3D clock. When I select that, it will now synchronize with the Fitbit, and then you can actually see it is loading on there. It is loading the new watch face. So once that finishes, that clock face should now be applied. There we go, it just vibrated, telling me that it's done. There we go, there is the watch face, and at the top, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is cycling through all the different information. Really, that is all you need to know about this watch. Now it is set up and you can basically do what you want with it. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.